My name is Ranga Perera. I'm a private chef based out of Bozeman, Montana. Today, I had the opportunity to fish with one of my longtime friends, Aaron Wirt. He's been a friend of mine for 18 years. We worked together, we fished together, we've lived together. We got out to this beautiful river that we've been eyeballing for a while, and just to get to spend time with a good friend who once taught me how to fish, it was a real treat for us. And once we caught fish, we got our fire going, and we were ready for a cocktail and some food. So the drink is inspired by some of the flavors that I remember from childhood in Sri Lanka, but in alcohol form. We built a local apple moonshine cocktail with a burnt caramel sauce. And into that caramel sauce was cardamom, so it's got this beautiful perfumey spice to it. Mix that with a local apple moonshine and some apple juice. And we took a Sri Lankan cinnamon stick, burnt it, and smoked the inside of our cups with it as well. So it gave it this beautiful, smoky, cinnamony, elusive note to it. Some fresh lemon juice, and it was just a phenomenal cocktail for a cooler fall evening. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Awesome day.
Good day.
And then I built a sourdough loaf in a Dutch oven. Spread out the oil, make sure it's covered all the sides. This has been going for about 2 days. That looks good. Just put it right there. The sizzle is good. Let's give it a nice crosshatch pattern. Make it look like a nice artisan loaf. Bottom's already setting, which is a great sign. The bread is gonna bake through convection by putting heat on top. It's not really cooking from the bottom, and what will happen is the air starts to circulate inside just like a convection oven, and it just gives us a really lovely bread. A little toasty, but that's fine. And we did a Sri Lankan style trout, whole, and the trout was very simple. It was roasted garlic oil and then a special blend of curry powder from my auntie in Sri Lanka. Smell of home. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Some grass-fed butter with the bread and a spicy Sri Lankan style coconut relish. Cool. Hit the fish with a little bit of fresh lemon and then take a little bit of the coconut sambal and the fish with the bread. That is something that is a very common meal in its own form in Sri Lanka.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, man. Being able to share that with a friend who I knew would appreciate it was just a joy.
Yeah, it is good.
Right?